Buckle up, folks, this is big. Major U.S. health insurance company Cigna is being accused of using AI instead of doctors to deny claims. A class action lawsuit was filed in California last week alleging that Cigna uses an algorithm called PXDX to automatically deny certain claims. Claims that can be denied in as little as 1.2 seconds by the AI system, even without a doctor ever looking at the patient's medical records. One former Cigna doctor said that it takes about 10 seconds to deny 50 claims at a time using the AI system. The lawsuit was sparked by 2 Cigna patients who said that their claim had been denied by AI. One patient had suspected ovarian cancer and was denied an ultrasound. She had to pay over $700 out of pocket for a test. I was denied a $9,000 medical scan until they felt threatened by a lawsuit. Cigna admits that it uses AI to deny claims, but says this is a standard practice in the industry and it helps to save money on labor. Of course, if your claim is denied by AI, you can still get the treatment if you pay for it yourself, even though you're already paying your health insurance premiums. Technically, medical claims are supposed to get fair consideration by a doctor. But is that possible when the AI is programmed in the insurance company's favor? What do you think? Is Cigna's use of AI to deny claims ethical? Let me know in the comments below and subscribe for more.